Do not disrespect me. Baka nakakalimutan mo kung sino ako.
Nandito na si Ma'am. Hindi na niya kayo masasaktan. Revenge is not the answer.
Sir, bakit?
Revenge is for the weak. At hindi ako kasing hina ni Kiefer para gawin ang ginawa niya.
I'm not trying to force you to like me as your father, but please, learn the word respect.
What I want is Kiefer, Yuri, their gang. You're going to die. Urusay!
Mahirap hanapin ang mga kagaya ko. I'm one of a kind.